Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your charging port door in the 2025 Kia EV9. I have in front of me here a Land all-wheel drive with premium package in Pebble Gray. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the location of the charging port door is on the passenger side rear quarter panel right here behind your taillight. And you'll see there's like a little indicator here of the button to press to open and close this, and it's these three little indents. So right now the doors are fully locked. So if I were to go try and press on that, it's not going to do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and use the key fob and I'm going to unlock it and then go ahead and just a light press on there and you'll see it's going to open for us. Then there also is a button inside that we can press to open and close the charging port door from the inside. And it will also indicate on your instrument cluster that the door has been opened. You also have an LED battery level status here. So the little square is kind of like up to about 25% charge. And then from there it goes up to about 50, 75, and then 100% just to kind of let you know where you're at. This button here, we would go ahead and press it when we're done with here, and it would close the door for us. We do not have to close it manually. There's a button here with hold on it. Now, if you had a scheduled charge in the infotainment system and you went somewhere and plugged in outside of that scheduled time, you can go ahead and press and hold this button for a second and it will override the scheduled charge you had in there to allow you to charge outside of that time. You also have a little door here, so if you need to use a level 3 charger, you just go ahead and open that and then it's ready for the larger plug. Otherwise, level 1 or 2, you just go ahead and plug it in the top. And there is even a little LED light in here just to kind of light up everything for you at night when you're in there. So again, once you're done with it, you can press this button to go ahead and close. And if you happen to forget and leave the charging door open, after a minute or two, it will just go ahead and close itself just in case. You can also head into the 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and we're going to go ahead and hit the EV menu over here on the right. And then down at the bottom, we're going to press where the plug and the gear is. And then on the left, we're going to go into AC charger and then scroll up a bit in the middle. And this is our charging connector locking mode. We have 3 options for that. We have always, while charging, or do not lock. So always would mean that whenever you have it plugged in, whether it's charging or not, and the doors are locked, you would not be able to pull the charging plug out of the port. If you chose while charging, which is kind of defaulted, that means that when you're plugged in and you're charging, you wouldn't be able to pull the charging cable out until you fully unlock the doors yourself or the charging has been completed. Then you'd be able to pull it out. And then do not lock would mean it doesn't matter whether you're charging or not. You plug it into the port, it could be doing what it's doing, and then you can just pull it out at any time. So it's your personal preference on how you want to set it. Again, it was defaulted to while charging. I also just wanted to note that the charging port door will not open unless you are in the parking gear only. It will not open if you're in drive, neutral, or reverse. And also, if you were to go drive away after it tells you in here that the door is open, it will then go ahead and close itself so you can't accidentally drive around with it on. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.